So this video will go over the reverse array on, or reverse method on arrays, which you can probably guess what that is. 5, 6 equals. You could probably guess that all the items get reversed. And you know, it's a pretty simple concept. Now, you can actually also use this on strings. Hold on. No, you could just do or no, you could do split join reverse join and this should return a reversed version. So let me just switch this. GNIRTS So yeah, that works. And we can just make this function string. So what this first split does is it converts the string into an array, and it converts it by every character, hence this blank space. So it says this character will be an index or element, and then you know all the others. Then it reverses the whole array with this function. Then it joins the array with this dot join function, which just combines everything back into a string. And using this function, we get the same result. And we can even double it. We should always get the same string back. String. Or I guess that's a bad example. Bad example. Yeah. So this is the array.reverse function and a little example of how it works. You can use it for a lot of other things, but yeah. Sub if you want, like if you want. I'm gonna wait for this to go to 4 minutes. Alright, sub if you want, like if you want.